It's Friday, November 14th. In the headlines, Johnson's Petroleum to deploy 10 mobile gas stations for hurricane relief. In business news, free online platform to track donations. Regionally, Belize and Guyana highlight community-led climate action at COP30. And in sports, Reggae Boys held to a 1-1 draw by Trinidad and Tobago in World Cup qualifier. This is the weekend news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.